Hey guys, so today we're going to review the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. You can get it on Amazon or any automotive store. Run you about $18. I think it's well worth it. If you think your headlights are just beyond repair, no fear. Go buy one of these kits. Don't be afraid of it. It's very easy to do. Check out this video and I think you'll agree. Zoom in here real quick. We're going to show you where we're at in our starting place. We actually bought the 3M product, the restoration kit. Gives you all the pads that you need and the compound. You can see it's pretty yellowed out and really rough to the touch. So this is our starting step. Okay, so you can see I've done the first pass here. Biggest thing on this is don't take it and run it on the edge. Hold your drill flat and make your passes. Don't go super fast. Let the drill do the work. Kind of step it along. And so now you can see it's starting to build up. Take this, dust it off. You can use your hand, a rag if you've got one. And then we'll take a break here in a second because I'm going to dust this back off so it doesn't build up with another rag. Zoom in here for me real good if you would. Notice the haze that's on this is now, the yellow is gone. Right, it's just down to a white haze. So the next pad will get me to even a tighter grit. So we're going to give that a go. We'll give it a couple of passes and then we'll come back and show you where we're at.